We've got the R bumper, cable ties everywhere. It looks like rats have come in here. We are here at Copart. We did win. They burrowed through down there. That sounds sick. Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. In the last episode, we took this thing racing and I fitted a ton of performance parts and we got this thing running a lot better. I did say in the next episode, we're going to be concentrating on the aesthetics, and I just got a delivery that I've been waiting for. Every have completely taken the piss with me for the last week, but I just took delivery of a wide body kit. And this thing is going to look so sick. I picked this up from a company called Unique Customs, so there will be a link down below if you want to grab one. We're gonna make this car look a million times better. I'm going straight in with marking up the kit against the body before fitting all the necessary hardware. Alright guys, so some of the panels have been temporarily screwed into place, so that's what it's gonna look like. I've got a new front bumper coming and a new bonnet coming, and then I can fit the rest of it. When my guy George bought this car, he accidentally bought the incorrect front bumper. Now when I air it out, the tires are rubbing on the inner wing. And now is the scary part, because now I'm gonna remove these panels. I'll be cutting that inner skin. So this is the part where I'm gonna mess it up or make it really cool. So it's time to get the kit off the car again, and this was actually scary. I'm cutting into the Scirocco, but if this was a new car, it would be a lot more daunting, and that's why I'm enjoying this build. It's an older car and I'm just having fun. So as advised by the manufacturers of the kit, I'm cutting the outer skin, separating that from the inner skin, and then I'll trim the inner skin, seal it all up, and fold it over the outer skin. Hope that makes sense, but this is what I'm doing. Now I've trimmed about 1 inch of material, so here's a quick test. All good, there's no more rubbing once I air it out. So what I'm doing now is cleaning everything up, and we need to seal those two panels. Right, you guys, take a look at that. I cut the outer skin and then I cut the inner skin a little bit longer, folded it over, and I've sealed it with some sealant, and I went ahead and I repeated the same process on the other side. And now when I completely air out, I've got no rubbing, no touching. Whilst I wait for the sealant to fully dry up, I'm gonna drill out all these holes, and I've got the proper hardware, so I need to fit some riv nuts, and I've got some really nice black dome bolts that are gonna really set off this wide body kit. So we're getting there, boys. We are getting there. It was scary cutting into the car, but I've been consulting with the company that I got the wide body kit from, and they told me this is exactly what they've done. Now, although I'm confident, this is still risky business, because if I mess up here, it's gonna be big issues, because that's the exact spot that the bolt needs to go according to the kit. Right, I've only got to repeat that about another 100 times. Ah! Alrighty boys, that took a bit of time, but all the hardware is installed. Here are the bolts, so just need to get all them back out, and we can go ahead and fit this panel, and that's where I'm going to leave it for now, because I need to wait until my new front bumper arrives. I want to make sure the front panels are completely lined up before I set it in stone, but these have come out really nice. Have a look at that, riv nuts in. See boys, if this was a new BMW or something, I'll be worried doing this, but it's an old Scirocco, man, so I can have a bit of fun. Happy days. In goes the dome bolts, and they're looking clean. Right, boys, so it's the next morning. We got that sealant nice and cured up, but I've got a problem. The rest of the kit for the front end requires a Scirocco R bumper, and I haven't got a Scirocco R bumper on the car right now. Plus my bonnet has got a little bit of dents and damage, and I just want to get rid of that, and I need some plastics and other little miscellaneous bits. So I've got a very clever way of how I'm going to get all the bits that I need to complete the look that I'm going for, and I'm going to show you that in a second. But off camera, I got my guy Gary to come down and make me a proper boot build for the air ride kit. I think it looks sick. Let me know what you think of that. I'm going to be running this U-channel rubber all around the wheel arches and everywhere that I've cut and sealed, just to give it a nice clean finish and to protect all of those seals. So guys, I've been on eBay for the last few weeks trying to find a Scirocco R bumper. I'm seeing prices like 300 quid, 200 quid, 400 quid. It just varies. I need a bonnet. I'm seeing them on old Scirocco still at like £200-300 for a bonnet. I need some splash guards and other little bits of plastic just to complete the car. I'm not gonna go ahead and spend all of that money on an old car, man. You gotta be clever in this game. So I went on to Copart. I'm trying to find a Cat B Scirocco R. Came up trumps again. So I thought to myself, what if there's a young kid out there who's got like a 1.2, 1.4 Scirocco, spent tons of money getting R bits, done it all up, and it being on Copart. So I had a quick look and I found this. It's a 2009 Scirocco G. Like what are all these numbers? G, A, B, C, D after the Scirocco? I don't even know. So I found the Scirocco G 2009. The funny thing is, it's a 2-litre GT version. So it's got the turbocharger and the supercharger. That's the same engine that I've done on George's car, and those engines retail at about £1,500. So if I can get this car cheap enough, I should be able to sell that engine, it's running and driving, sell the engine and recoup all my money that I've spent on the car, and that means I'll get all of my R bits for free, and it just adds more content. Like the wheels looks like they're BBS wheels, I don't know, but I should be able to get 200-300 quid for them, wheels and tires. And then yeah, it's a fully running car. The engine bay looks good. It's got an induction kit. Should be able to sell that. I should be able to sell tons of parts to recoup my money is what I'm trying to say. If I win this in the auctions now, I'm heading down right now to collect this car, and that way I can tinker all over the weekend and continue to make epic content for you lot. But more importantly, I'll be able to buckle up the wide body kit on my Scirocco or my Budorocco. So boys, literally a few hours later and we have got a 2-hour journey all the way to Copart. Here's me and Ollie making that journey, and this is how it went at the auction.
Sold on approval.
So literally no one bidded, but they had a reserve. They wanted $1,450. I wasn't willing to pay that. We went back and forth a little and we ended up getting the car for 1,200 quid. Okay boys, so good news. As you can see, we are here at Copart. We did win the little Scirocco. So Ollie came and got me straight away. It's mad because this morning we were looking at this on the internet, and now if you look there, they're about to load it up on a trailer. And just like that, I bought another Scirocco. Shall I start it?
Give it a go.
Happy days, it starts straight up.
Straight away, no problem at all.
Man, that is good.
Do you think she's a winner?
Do you think she's won? Guys, take a look at the wheels. These are 18-inch alloys. Should I put them on the Scirocco or leave it as is? I'm concerned about this and that, which I'm happy about. Oh God, what have you found? Is it wrapped?
Some fucking dirty briefs.
Oh my God. Have a look at the wing. You guys kept asking for this wing. That's the same wing that's on mine. Big boy exhaust. Oh wow.
I think I might want to buy a car.
Really?
Maybe.
Are you for real?
I think so.
Have a think, mate. Have a think.
We'll have a little look at it. We'll
It's
go
actually
back to
got,
the unit.
yeah. I want to drive it and
We'll
see.
all have one, me, you and George.
Okay.
We've got a Scirocco.
Yeah, buy it. It's got pops and bangs. Crazy. JS Performance. You think that means anything?
Never know, it sounds like it means something.
Yeah.
Especially with that exhaust.
Yeah, boy. Guys, check this out. Hate is gonna hate. So like it says, haters gonna hate. And later on in the video, I'm gonna be showing you just why this car was vandalized. With the car all loaded, we just had a quick 2.5 hour drive back to the garage. That was a long drive.
Long day.
Oh, boys, that was long, but we're back. Let's get this offloaded and I want to just give it a rip. I got you, baby. Got a new front bumper for ya. I want to break this. You stay right there, baby. Hold on. Damage on my bumper, boy. Yeah, that's fine. Go back. That sounds sick. Ooh, that is loud. What do you think?
You've got to drive this thing, brother.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's quick.
Is it quick?
It's like we just picked up from Copart, very quick.
Yeah, literally
boy.
just got here, man. Just offloaded. Come on, hold the camera then.
What do you think, D?
It's nuts, it's fast. It's
quick, innit?
Definitely faster than the WIDEBODY.
It's quick.
That's why I need boost. But you can hear it. As soon as you put your foot down, shh.
Yeah,
I'm happy.
it's happening.
I'm happy. For the price that I paid for this, man.
Winner, winner.
You've got a decision to make, bro.
We do. I do indeed.
Yeah,
Got to think about this.
About breaking it though, man. But we'll see. This thing is mental. It's fast and it's giving me a conundrum. Should I put this engine in that caddy? That's the first thing Ollie just said to me. Bonnet, you know. Oh God. Now, I'm a bit worried. I've always said this in so many videos, right? I'm always worried with these old cars if any rats are gonna jump out. And Ollie saw something straight away and I'm not going in there. Guys, I've actually got...
Cooey. We've even got some fellas' drawers in the back. Got you a present.
You want them back?
Woo.
Come get your drawers. He's a big boy as well, isn't he?
It's
So apparently this car was vandalized, and I wonder why. It's so loud. No wonder there's rats in there, man. Like, look, he crashed when he was doing his shopping. Oh, be careful, man.
Oh, there's so much trash in here. Oh, bro, we got some fresh DPs though.
Look where
Woohoo!
I'm staying here.
The Copart guy was proper moaning at me for not having one of these. Why are you so scared, bro?
Bro, I've got a phobia of rats. I've genuinely... Guys, answer me this. Is it a black thing? I am petrified. It must... I don't know. It must be a black thing. I hate rats. Ugh.
Maybe it's just because I'm used to calling through lofts and stuff as an electrician. Like, that's where they live, so...
There you go, mate.
Thank
One,
you.
2.
Thank you.
And the other 5 are for me because I'm not...
5. Triple layering.
No way. This is why it's important to have an ollie. So when you get a car that's infested by rats, you could do this. Oh,
I'll sort it out.
It literally looks like a jungle in this boot. And this is one of the things I hate about buying salvage cars. You never know what the previous owner was up to. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good, mate. Yeah, we're good.
What was those noises you were making?
Don't want to talk about it, alright? Stop it.
Okay, so Ollie went ahead and cleared this all out. Thank you, mate. Yeah, you can see. So basically, it looks like rats have come in here. They burrowed through down there. They gained entrance through the back seat. Oh my gosh. An option is to just rebuild this car and sell it. I have got a set of back seats from the Scirocco. These wheels, I'm gonna get them off. I wanna see if these are actually genuine BBSs. If they are, they will be worth a ton. It's definitely got a map. The way this thing's boosting, it's got pops and bangs, it's definitely remapped. So that's why I was thinking maybe I could stick that engine into this van. So let me know if that's something that you wanna see, or should I just fix it and sell it? Or should I part it out? Whatever you guys say, that's what I'm gonna do. But I'm talking too much. Let's get this off. I'm addicted. I got a taste of that boost now. I want boost. Those lights seem to be in better condition than mine as well. So I've got something coming in the post for the lights as well. Cable ties everywhere. Another cable tie. Oh, come on, man. There you go, finally. Finally. So finally, I've got an R front bumper, a new bonnet, and I've fitted a wide body kit to the Scirocco, and this is what it looks like. The day running lights make a huge difference, and we've got the wide body kit installed. They're just 2 little tabs on the inside. I've glued it in, I've got it set in, so I'll leave that overnight. And once that sets off, everything should be nice and good on that front. Now the car still needs to go to bodywork to do a little bit of finishing on the kit, making sure that it's nice and smooth. And I'm gonna be wrapping this car. Let me know what color you think I should wrap this car. It looks so menacing and the air ride just sets it off. I know a lot of you don't like it, but it is the performance version. This is just an everyday track car, which I'm gonna drive sometimes on the road as well. So I wanted a bit of both functionality and performance. Now this thing is actually a performance car as well. Like, it's got a crazy map on it, and I was gonna part it out, but I think I'm gonna get a new bonnet for it, stick a bonnet on. I've already stuck the correct bumper for the car, all the fog lights, everything's working, and I'm gonna be selling this car. I'm not asking too much for it. Let me know in the comments or drop me a DM if you're interested. It runs, it drives. It's a 2-litre turbocharged, and I believe it's got a map. This thing is, wow, it's so quick, but have a look at it. All you need to do is get one side window and a rear window as well. If anyone's interested, that's the reg, check it out. Now the BBSs that came on the other Scirocco, I stuck them on the Caddy. I think they look quite smart, and I've got big plans for this Caddy. Stay tuned. I've actually picked something up, so yeah, in the next, not the next episode, but maybe 2 episodes later, you will see what I'm on about. But let me know what you think of the BBSs on the Caddy. I think it looks so sick. That car looks sick, that needs to go. But this thing is actually shaping up to be an absolute monster. In the next video on this one, I've got a turbo kit. We will be boosting this, boys, so I'm gonna be tucking into the engine in the next episode before wrapping it, and this thing is gonna be sick. In Wednesday's video, I'm wrapping up the GLE build, and I'm gonna be doing a complete price breakdown. How much was it to buy and repair this 2019 Mercedes GLE? So boys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, press the like button, and if you're watching this, you're not subscribed, press the subscribe button. We're gonna be doing crazy things to the Scirocco in the next video, like I said, and I've got a couple of other spicy videos up my sleeve, so you're gonna wanna get a notification when I drop them. But for now, I'm tired, I'm heading home. So like I always say, keep it moving, and I'll see you in the next one. In Wednesday's video, we've got tons of parts for the Mercedes GLE. We're gonna be reassembling the front end, coding, diagnosing, and getting this car fully buckled down. I'll also be doing a price breakdown, so make sure you're subscribed with your bells on to see how we get on.